size of your kitchen island, again, that's really going to be determined by the confines of the walls that we're working within. Typical island, let's say, is going to be about 3 feet deep if we're including an overhang on the backside, and anywhere, let's say, about 5 to 6 feet long as your basic start. But again, depending on your space, we can really expand and contract those in different ways. If we're able to even do a double depth, let's say we're making it 5 feet deep and you really get that full access 24-inch deep storage cabinets on the backside as well. And then just expanding out your sides where you could even just wrap around your seating area to the side rather than a full cabinetry over there, just to gain a little bit of extra work surface and entertaining space within your kitchen.